Buju kinwa miwa biraske kwe. Ojipe mona no kiwin mijigwa. Nungum kiwia yan nijo oshke ikidowana nungum. Nijo oshke ikidowana nungum. You have 2 new words for today. Kiwia yan Minikwewin. They're things you drink. Minikwewin. Minoa, kiwi mada no kida. Let's get started. Ityu. Dudu shabu. Dudu shabu. Dudu shabu. Wait, when you're done, say it carefully. Du shabu. Kita tam kita kedod. Ni when madwe chigewanan, there's 4 sounds. Minoa it done. We're going to practice saying it regularly. Dudu shabu. Kita tam. How? But Bobby Ginda, let's shout it. Dudu shabu. Kita tam kita kedod. How? Nijashim. Mio ingo ikadonan. That was your first word. Nijo ikadoan. Ityu. Mishiminabu. 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 How? Weweni adan. Me. She. Me. Na. Bu. Get time. Gida ikadod. Weweni adan. Me. She. Me. Na. Bu. What is your shame? Gida done. Gida done. Careful. We're going to just speak it. Mishiminabu. How? But Bobby Ginda, let's shout it. Mishiminabu. Get some. How? What is your shin? Mio nungum oshke ikadowanan. Dudu shabu. Minowa mishiminabu. Nungum minowa gida ikadod ityu ishpin giwi geminwendan minowa gawain geminwendan zin. So gigwejimishin gwin mawian. You should tell me if you like one of them or you don't like one of them. Nungum ingia kid, I'm gonna practice saying niminwendan dudu shabu. Dudu shabu niminwendan. Dudu shabu niminwendan. I like it. Mishiminabu. This is just practice. You could, if you like one of these, you could say either one. Gawin niminwendan zin. Gawin niminwendan zin. Kibikwendan, you remember that? Gawin niminwendan zin. Ityu. Mishimin. Mishiminabu. Mishiminabu. Gawin niminwendan zin. I don't like apple juice. I don't like juice. Oh, another way you could say it, if you like apple juice, niminwendan mishiminabu. Mishiminabu niminwendan. I like apple juice. I like. Oh, dudu shabu. Gawin niminwendan zin. I don't like milk. Milk I don't like. Gawin niminwendan zin. Ew, dudu shabu. How mio manik nogum ginatam kiwia no kian. It's your turn. Go get your work done. See you. Miigwach bizindawian. Kikawapman.